Stop using an outdated SuperTrend indicator now. I just found the most powerful SuperTrend indicator on TradingView that leverages machine learning, giving mind-blowing buy and sell signals. Moreover, I coded a TradingView strategy with this indicator to prove its amazing performance empirically. Be sure to watch the full video carefully to learn the name of the indicator and how to access the trading bot with this indicator. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as Quant algo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without wasting any more time, let's review a top-notch artificial intelligence SuperTrend indicator that gives next-level buy and sell signals. This advanced trading indicator is designed to adapt to market volatility dynamically using machine learning techniques. It employs k-means clustering to categorize market volatility into high, medium, and low levels, enhancing the traditional SuperTrend strategy. Just see how brilliantly it captures market swings, generating significant profits for you. Also, be aware that the numbers below or above the candles indicate the market's volatility level, where a value of 1 represents low volatility, a value of 2 represents medium volatility, and a value of 3 indicates high volatility. But to successfully catch these swings, make sure to closely follow the trading rules we're about to share with you right now. When the indicator displays a green label and a value of 2 or 3 appears below the signal candle, it suggests an unconfirmed signal to enter a long trade. Boom! Check out this incredible signal that enabled us to secure over $500 in profit. In a bearish scenario, when a red label with a value of 2 or 3 appears above the signal candle, it acts as an early signal of a potential short trade. Voila! Another successful trade was executed, yielding approximately $400 in profit. However, as observed, even the AI-enhanced version of the indicator is not immune to the occurrence of false signals. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. An effective trick we discovered is to enter trades when there is minimal distance between the candle and signal labels in both bullish and bearish scenarios. As you can see, here there is a relatively large distance between the signal candle and the green label, even with a value of 3, and subsequently, the price showed a choppy move and reversed. With that, to add this mind-blowing AI tool, open the indicator menu, type Machine Learning SuperTrend, and add this one to the chart. The settings aspect we will discuss in the latter part of the video. Meanwhile, the indicator's performance can be significantly enhanced when paired with volume confirmation. The confirmation involves a momentum oscillator based on volume, which correlates changes in volume with the price movements of a security. It uses an accumulated sum of positive and negative trading volume to predict the direction of price movement. With that, to confirm the described rules in a bullish scenario, the volume bar should be green. Since all trading rules are met, we can initiate a long position with a stop placed below the most recent low and aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. Boom! The price rose and reached our target. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, Quant algo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo will put you at a disadvantage. In a bearish scenario, to confirm the conditions for entering a short position, the volume bar should have a red color. We can enter a short position here, placing a stop above the recent high and targeting the same RR ratio. Bingo, the price plummeted, effortlessly hitting the take profit level. By the way, notice how effectively the indicator filters out false signals during consolidation periods. With that, to add this insane volume filter, go back to the indicators window, search for neglected volume, and choose the following one. At this point, let's create a TradingView strategy with these indicators and evaluate the results. It's important to note that we've programmed the stop loss below the recent low, a few candles prior to the signal candle in a bullish scenario, and above the recent high in a bearish scenario. Also, we've set a take profit level at a risk-to-reward ratio of 0.8, as extensive backtesting has shown this to be the most effective first take profit level. Here are the results, and they're quite impressive for a strategy with only one confirmation indicator. So, this is a Bitcoin chart, a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, We received a win rate of 56%, while net profit stood at 87% across 130 trades. We also have a solid profit factor of 1.306 and a manageable max drawdown of 31%. Finally, we have a relatively good equity curve. Consider that the backtest occurred during a highly volatile period, so under normal market conditions, the results could be even better. What's most remarkable is that this incredible performance was achieved using default settings for both indicators. You can certainly experiment with the ATR length and the SuperTrend factor, as well as the volume length, to enhance accuracy or tailor the strategy to your preferred time frame or asset. On the Euro-Dollar 15-minute chart, we received an even higher win rate and profitability with the default settings. Out of 85 trades, the win rate was nearly 65%, resulting in an amazing net profit of 149%. However, we encountered a high maximum drawdown of 46%, indicating that we should definitely optimize the settings or add another filter.